Hi guys, today we are working on changing the brake on the 2012 to 2019 Ford Focus. So I will attempt to show you guys how to change the brake on this vehicle. First, as you know, you have to remove the wheel with 19 milliliter bolt. So once you remove the wheel, what I like to do is to push the piston back. You see the piston here? So I like to push it back off the brake pad. That will make it easier to install the new brake later. So let's try to do that. As you can see, it's going back in. What you see popping there is just the clip from the old brake pad. So let's keep pushing it. We can push it all the way and that's totally fine. See? That's totally fine. See? Now it's all the way in. Okay. Now the piston is all excuse me. The piston is all the way in. Yeah. Okay. Now there is two bolts here. One here. I'm going to pop the rubber cover, and one at the bottom. We can remove those with a T45. So let's make sure that it's all the way in so we don't strip anything. And let's try to remove it. This will allow us to remove the caliper, the brake caliper. So it's really loose now. I just use my hand and maybe attempt to, yeah, it's fine. You can use your flat screwdriver to push it out. So now it's all out. That's it here. And then we can remove the bottom one also. Okay, at this point, like I said, I like to just unscrew it. My hand. Okay, and then I will advise you guys to maybe take a picture of the clip here if you want to see how that align, you know. So guys, now we can remove the clip. You guys can take a picture or have some idea how the clip align to hold the caliper. So I'm going to remove the clip. There's a load in it, so now it's off. Remove it here, and then there you go. Now we have the brake pad is pretty gone. There's nothing left on it, so go ahead and remove this. Go ahead and remove that as well. These are the new pad. I bought them at AutoZone. No, actually Advanced Auto Parts. This is the box, and this is the part number. I bought this Advanced Auto Parts for $35. So to reinstall the new brake, just the reverse of what we just did. And for this side, make sure you insert this inside the caliper. You have to insert this brake inside the caliper. Okay, and see, it fits right in. That's the advantage of pushing the caliper all the way in. So when you install the new pad, everything fits right in. You don't need to buy or borrow a brake changing tool to do this job. All you need is your flat screwdriver to push the caliper in. So when you install the new brake pad, you are able to fit the caliper onto the rotor. Yeah. Anyway, so that should be it. We go ahead and install the 2 bolts back in. Make sure that everything fits tight. Make sure everything fits tight. Brake are very important safety feature, so we had to make sure we do it right. So, all right. So I'm starting to tighten this thing back in. And then the top one as well. Let's see. Let's make sure. Let's make sure this is tight. Is going to fit a little loose because once you apply the brake caliper, once you apply the brake, it will move the caliper against the rotor. So don't worry if it fits a little loose at first. All you have to do is just make sure that all these bolts are installed properly and tight. Okay, this one is good. Let's do the top one. Okay, this one is tight also. Okay, now all we need to do is just install the spring back on, and that should do it. So guys, if you have it should be this way. So that's it. So if you have any question or comment and all that, let me know. Thanks for watching and take care.